Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush, and today we're going to be talking about some stencils, girl. You know, when you do airbrush makeup, you play with them stencils, girl. And I got some badass stencils to go ahead and share with you guys today, as well as a little bit of info on them. Maybe we'll do a little demo. I don't know. We'll see where this video is going in the end. But if you are interested in learning what stencils I got, where they're from, how much they cost, and all that good stuff, then please keep on watching. Alright, so if you are an airbrush makeup lover, pro, or enthusiast, you know that stencils are your best friend. Not only is airbrush makeup really fast to apply on its own, but it's even faster with the use of stencils. And iStencils was so kind enough to go ahead and send me out a few of their stencils from the BadAss line. Yeah. So let's get into it, shall we? So these stencils can be found at iStencils.com. This is a company based out of New Hampshire. So the BadAss stencil line was created and launched in 2010 by a makeup artist named Andrea O'Donnell. Her information will be in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check her out. But she's been doing makeup artistry for 25 plus years, so she's got extensive knowledge, and all of the designs go into the creative process for body art, makeup, all kinds of applications, okay? The BadAss stencil line offers a few different types of stencils, so I'll go ahead and go through the different types for you. They offer I have some notes here. They offer the BadAss full-size stencils, which they are full-size and they run from about 8.5 to 11, a sheet that is about 8.5 by 11. And they contain multiple designs, therefore you get more bang for your buck when you're ordering these large sheets like so. They're made from a 7mm Mylar paper, and they're very durable and flexible as well. Those run for about $15 a pop. Then they have the BadAss Minis, and the BadAss Minis, they come in the size 3.5 by 5 inches, and they run for about $4 each. Same thing, durable, flexible, same thickness, all that good stuff. Then they have the BadAss Brow line, and that one has from traditional designs to artistic style brows. The possibilities really are endless with that. I mean, they have so many designs, it's insane. But those run for about $5 each. And then they have the brow bundles, which are themed bundles that come with about 10 different design templates for each different type of brow. And that runs for about $18 each. Then after the brows, they have the half-ass stencils. Now the half-ass stencils, where are my notes here, girl? Them half-ass stencils. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? So the half-ass stencils are a set of 11 stencils that they offer there. And the size for those are about 3.3 by 2 inches. There's a set of 11 stencils, and each set costs about $22 a piece. Then they have the BAM packs. The BAM packs have 5 themed stencils, and the sizes for that run for about 5 inches by 3 inches. They're laser cut on 7mm Mylar. They're $18 for the set of that. And then they have other ones like the Hot Wing stencils. They're designed to fit around the eye area. And there are also shadow shields that are integrated into those stencils as well. I'll go ahead and show you one of those because I have one of those. But they're laser cut on 10mm Mylar. They're durable, flexible, and reusable, and those go for about $9 a piece. And then they have, what else? The Alpha BAMs, which are pretty much the alphabet and all the different lettering styles. And those run for about $16 each, and you get the full alphabet out of those. So, yeah, let's just dive into that, shall we? I think that is it for the stencils. Yep, that's it from my notes. So let's show you what I got here. Now I got a few different stencil types. I've already opened some because, you know, I got so excited when I got these in the mail because I follow them on Instagram. So if you are not following BadAss Stencils on Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow them. I will go ahead and link their profile here, and of course it'll be in the description box as well. But definitely follow them because they show a lot of what you can do with the stencils and what artists have already done with them. So it's pretty amazing. But yeah, make sure you go ahead and follow them. So the stencils that I have here, I have the BadAss bundle for the brows, and I just want to go ahead and show you that. I left a few of them unopened. Some of them I did go ahead and open already because I got super excited. Who wouldn't? Okay, I love me some airbrush art and I love me some stencils. You know, if you've been following me long enough, you know that I cut a lot of my own stencils by hand, and I use a lot of the stencils from Diner as well. So it was nice to go ahead and find a different brand that was offering stencils or that specializes in stencils, because you get a lot more designs. But yes, so the brow bundles looks like this, and this is just a basic beauty brow. Of course, it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 brow stencils here, and they're all like, they can just be easily propped out like so. So you can go ahead and detach them from the initial sheet. And what I like about these sets is not only do you get the stencils with the perfect template size, but they also have a little hole in the corner here, and each set comes with a little chain that you can go ahead and bundle them all up and keep them nice and tidy and organized in your kit. So I really like the fact that they included everything that you need as an artist on the go, or even as a consumer who likes to keep your station tidy. So I really like that a lot. So now back to the brow stencils. It's pretty basic. There's different sizes, of course, different levels of arch as well. All very versatile. They have another set that's more like artistic brows that has like flames and dots and all kinds of really cool things that you can find on the website. That's istencils.com. But they have that one, and then the half-ass stencil set, the bundle set here, comes in a package that looks like this, and as you can see, you just go ahead, there's like perforated lines there, so you can just go ahead and pop those out, and then it comes with a little chain as well, so you can go ahead and keep everything nice and organized and kept together. Now I have one that I already opened because, like I said, I got really excited, and I put a little ring around it because I had a few of these rings laying around. But yeah, they just look like this. So this is the size that it comes in. So in retrospect, this is the size. You can see there. Okay, it's about the size of my, fits right in my palm actually. It's not the size of my palm, but yeah, they're nice and small. So you can go ahead and customize your design however you want to customize it. And there's so many designs, guys. Definitely go ahead and check out istencils.com. You're gonna see there are so many badass designs. It's freaking amazing. Like seriously, get in a candy store. Okay, and then they have these full-size collections that you can go ahead and use for body art as well. So I got this one here, which is butterflies, because I absolutely love butterflies. My mom used to tell me and my sister, don't fly too high, butterfly. And so butterflies really resonate with me. It's weird too because my husband also has a connection with butterflies too from his grandma on his mom's side. And so butterflies are pretty significant to both of us, which is kind of weird. That's just the universe, you know, connecting to and Sue. But yes, they were kind enough to go ahead and send this one over to me, so I'm really excited to go ahead and use it. But as you can see, this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet, and there are different butterfly designs and patterns in there. So it has the initial outline, and then it has the detailing that you can just layer on top to go ahead and add that detailing inside the initial outline stencil. So it's really neat and very well thought out. Like I said, this is just it right here. Like, it's nice and pliable, which I like a lot, because, you know, working around the face, you need something that's going to go ahead and bend to the curves and contours of the body. But yeah, that's the full size. I have a few different other full size ones too that we're going to go ahead and go into right now. I also got the splatter one, which I have a video coming up on me using this one here, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. I've been wanting to do this look for forever, and really cutting my own stencil and having to go around all of the curves is just like a nightmare, and it would take me so long to go ahead and cut the stencil that I needed, and of course getting everything nice and perfectly like smooth and every curve, because you know we girls are perfectionists. So I was really happy to go ahead and receive this one, and I'm excited to go ahead and bring you a look using this one, so stay tuned for that. Then another full-size one I got was the Galaxy collection, and one thing that I really do like is on all of the stencils, it literally, like, they have the words etched in there. So it'll say BadAssStencils.com, and then it'll say the item number here is etched into the stencil, and then it'll say the name of the stencil. So this one here is Andrea's Galaxy Quest, and yeah, I'm gonna do a look with this one too. I'm super excited to use this one. And then, of course, your girl got some flames, because, you know, we like them flames. That fire, girl. We set that fire, like that fire. What? So I have a few looks in mind using this lovely stencil set here, but this is another one of the full size as well. And then we have another full-size stencil that looks like this, which is geometric. For those of you who don't know, I'm a fan of geo prints. Okay, I love geometric shapes and patterns and all that good stuff. So this is going to get a lot of use for your girl. Once again, we're gonna have looks featuring all of these stencil designs coming very soon. Then they also have these ones that have curves on them, and like honestly, okay, I'll show you here. Show you here, girl. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you that these stencils are so versatile, and like on them, like literally on them, etched in there, I don't know if I'll be able to go ahead and show you if you can see that, but etched in there is like the little description of all of the little pieces on here. So we have the eyeshadow 2, eyeshadow 3, we have the lips 3, we have the cheekbones 2, which you can go ahead and use like that. Of course, you're gonna have to protect this here, and to do that, I literally just use Post-its and kind of block it off so that I don't get any overspray going through the wrong stencil. But yeah, you can do that. There's even another one here for Widow's Peak if you need to create that Widow's Peak, girl. Then they have like a little cut crease that you can use here, more lip ones, little decals that you can use, and then brow ones. So this is a really good one for beauty application. Like I said, they come in all shapes and sizes. And now, because I did go ahead and open some, I'll go ahead and show you these ones. Like I was telling you, the BAM packs come in sets that look like this. It has 5 pieces to it, and literally like there's different designs. So this is a sports one, which my son absolutely loves. Like if you follow me on social media, you know I posted a picture on my mommy page of my son wanting this because of the Super Bowl coming up. You know, he wanted a football on his face, girl, with the flames. So we went ahead and already used this, but as you can see, the size on it is significantly larger than the other one. Still fits in the palm of my hand, of course, but yes, in retrospect, you can go ahead and see how large it is. And I like this one because not only does it come with the shapes for the different types of sports equipment, but it comes with little flames, little stars, and then it also comes with team numbers, girl, because you need to put your team number on there. You need to put your number on there. Yeah, so I really like these sets. They're really cool. Like I said, it comes in a set of 5, and it all comes attached on an 8.5 by 11 sheet, with perforated, of course, around the edges, and then it all comes with a little chain. But I had some of these loops hanging around, that's why they're on loops. Then they have these ones. This one, I can't remember what this one is called. Hold on, give me 1 second. So this one is part of their Hot Wings set, and what I really like about the different Hot Wings sets is, one, shapes fit to do any kind of eye look that you want to go ahead and do, and they have little placements here where you can show exactly where you need to place the stencil, which is really cool. And every edge of these stencils has something you can use, which I think is really, really neat, because you really get the most bang for your buck with all the designs that are incorporated into each of these stencils. And this set particular came with another little piece right here, which is a little shield that you can use also. So I've been personally using it to just kind of protect the rest from overspray every now and then, or I'll use this for my shadow, which I thought was really cool. But each of the wing stencils, at least this one, came with this shield, which I really, really loved. And then they have the Alpha. The Alpha BAMs are the ones where you have the letters in the alphabet, and there are some number ones as well. Now I have 2 different types of Alpha BAMs. We have the standard classic lettering like so. Everything comes in all caps, so there are no lowercase letters here, so it's all caps in all of their Alpha designs. So we have the plain old block structure ones, and each of these I think range for about an inch in height, each letter. So just to give you an idea of how big the lettering is. And then there's also another one that is a different design, which is a little bit more of a relaxed type lettering. So it's really cool. They have a few different lettering styles on their website, so I definitely would recommend to go ahead and check those out. Now I would like to see something that's a little bit smaller as far as lettering, which I think they do have one smaller set. I'm not sure about that, don't quote me, but check the website. But I know for the most part that they have the 1-inch size lettering on their site. So yeah, that's it for the ones that I actually got from BadAss Stencils off of Instagram. Don't forget to go ahead and follow them, okay? Because like I said, there's a lot of really inspiring work on there from a lot of different artists using these stencils. So yes, and if you have some time, go ahead and check out their website. That's istencils.com. No, I'm not paid to go ahead and make this video. No, this video is not sponsored. They literally just sent this out because I'm constantly gawking over their stencils. And yeah, this video is literally coming from me to you to share it because I absolutely love these stencils. I've been playing with some of them. As you can see, I've already went to town and started using some of them and setting them up. I'm going to go ahead and set up the rest of them now that I finished filming this video, because you know I wanted to save it there to show you what they look like in their natural state when they get sent to you, so you know what to expect when you get that packaging, girl. But yes, so that is it for this video. I will go ahead and post a few videos of me using the different stencils. Like I said, so creative, so many ideas come to mind when I see stencils or things like that. It just, the juices start flowing and the creativity starts coming in, and there's so many looks that I just want to go ahead and do. So I'm going to go ahead and do those things for you guys. So stay tuned for those videos to come. And yeah, so once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found it informative or you're just entertained, of course. And please don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a member of my Airbrush family here. And if you decide to become a member today, or if you are already a member of the Airbrush family, don't forget to hit that little notification bell icon right next to the subscribe button. That way you can turn on your notifications and get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. Alright loves, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye!